Hello guys, you're welcome. In today's video, I will share with you an investment platform where you learn profit daily simply by renting cars to generate profit for you every day. Do well to watch to the end to know other ways of earning. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on post notifications. The first step is to register an account with your phone number, Telegram, your password, and make sure you have an invite code. When you're done, select register now. After registration, you'll be redirected to the homepage where you'll find the recharge, withdrawal, message, and the help center, as well as the project introduction. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see the rental cars and the amount you will earn. Now, if you go to mine, you'll see your balance, recharge, withdrawal, and the serve, which shows the team, message center, customer service, as well as the common problem. Now, if you go to activity, you'll earn reward when your friends buy any of the rental cards. The reward the platform gives you depends on the car they purchase. Now, let me introduce you to the rental cars. Now, if you go back to the homepage, you'll see the various cars you can buy and the profit you'll earn daily, as well as the number of days it can last. So if you buy the Toyota with an amount of 90 Ghana cedis, you'll earn 12 cedis and a total profit of 144 cedis, which last for 12 days. Also, if you buy Volkswagen with 300 cedis, you'll earn 16 cedis every day, and 576 cedis, which will last for 36 days. The profit you will earn every day depends on the type of car you buy. Buy what you can afford. I want to buy the Toyota, so I will scroll up and tap on recharge. I will choose 90 cedis and tap on sure. So here, you can recharge through MTN, Momo, USDT, and Vodafone. I want to recharge through MTN, so I will copy the mobile money number and go to do my recharge. I will enter the mobile money code to start the recharge. I will choose Momo user and paste the Momo number I copied from the site, and confirm the number. I will enter the amount I want to recharge and enter my reference number. I will enter my password to confirm the recharge. My recharge is successful, so I will take a screenshot of my payment I made. After taking the screenshot, I will go back and confirm the recharge. Now, I will enter the mobile money name of the number I used for recharge. When I'm done, I will tap on upload file and upload the mobile money screenshot I took. I will tap on submit to complete it. My recharge is successful, so now, I will wait for some time and check my account balance. As you can see from here, the amount I recharged has reflected in my wallet, so I will go to the homepage to buy the car. I will choose Toyota and then tap on invest. As you can see from here, we'll earn 12 cedis every day, and it's going to last for 12 days. I will now tap on buy to rent the car. I have successfully purchased the car, so now, every day, I will come here and tap on extract to receive my daily profit. Now, let me show you another way you can earn from this platform. If you tap on share at the button, you'll be able to find your invitation code and link to invite your friends to the platform. Now, if you invite friend to register and recharge, the platform will give you some reward as referral bonus when any of your friends purchase any of the cars. The bonus you will earn depends on the level of your subordinates and the type of car they rent. Now, let me show you how you can make withdrawals from this platform. Tap on withdrawal. Now, you have to enter the amount you want to withdraw, and then tap on Submit. Now, withdrawals time is Monday to Thursday from 9 o'clock a.m. to 4 p.m. and the withdrawal would be sent to your account within 48 hours. So when you withdraw, you have to wait patiently for the financial department to review it. After entering the amount you want to withdraw, submit it and enter the withdrawal details. Tap on Confirm and state if your number is an MTN number or Vodafone. After that, enter your phone number and your Momo name. Once you're done, tap on Confirm.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Now, if you go to Mine and select Customer Service, you'll get the Telegram account of the customer service.
Good day.
Now, if you chat the customer service on Telegram, he'll help guide if you encounter any problems or difficulties. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notification.